So you're here because you want to learn the pen spinning anime trick that you just saw, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is how it looks like. This is the fundamental pen spinning trick. Everyone learns the thumb around first. That's how it's called. It's called the thumb around. So the way you perform this trick is you grab the pen like this. So the heavier, like you don't grab it at the middle, it's going to be harder to do it. So a little bit down the end. So the heavier part is here so it can spin around your thumb. You create pressure by pushing with your middle finger. You can feel it in your index finger when you push here in that direction. Now you just need to release your index finger and then the pen will fly out probably, which is okay. So now you just need to learn to control that momentum. So it's not too much or too little. Actually, that was good. But too little, pen will just drop. So the right momentum, let it spin around the thumb. And the last thing you need to do is just catch the pen. So, and that's it. Very simple. That's what that anime guy was doing with the pen. He was actually doing it with the pencil, which is same. Like you don't need these fancy modes anyway, so pencil is fine. Anything you can find there, like it works with, I don't know, whatever you want. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.